How's it going, everybody? It's Christopher Rogers with MarineMax Clearwater. You can call me Mr. Rogers. Right now, I'm going to show you this brand spanking new 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. So on the back, first thing you'll notice are the 225 V6s on the back. That'll get you going top speed close to 50 miles an hour. So as you walk on the boat, you'll notice this great aft walkway. Just very easy to get on the boat. And one thing you'll notice, there's plenty of space for people to be fishing on the aft, but also when you're underway and you need more seating, you can put down this bench seat right here, which is really awesome and convenient. Whaler definitely has a very good keeps you in mind for whenever you're traveling, but also when you're actually fishing and using this area for fishing. So one thing right back here on the port side, you'll see this awesome live well. And if this isn't enough for you, Boston Whaler has you covered because you have another live well right here. So one thing I also like to point out, this is a small detail, is this rod right there. You can put your feet under it so that you can get some leverage when you're reeling in a really big fish. It's those small details that Boston Whaler really has mastered at this point. So you'll notice also these bolsters. I love to point these out as well, so that when you're leaning on something, you're not leaning on the fiberglass, you're leaning on these bolsters. So it just makes it much more comfortable. Again, it's the small details with Whaler. So you'll notice you have two Simrads. All your controls are up here. You got your VHF, your stereo, all these engine systems, everything's up here, and very ease of use and easy access to them. So as we keep going to the left, you'll notice a very spacious head. If you're 6 feet, you can still stand up in this pretty comfortably. You might have to bend your head a little bit, but for a 25-foot boat, it is extraordinarily spacious. And as you keep walking, you'll notice again more seats for people to lounge out on, whether you're just at the sandbar or even if you're fishing. You can easily take this off and stand on the bow while you're fishing, and it's very easy to clip these back in. I won't do that right now, but there is a insulated cooler right here. I'll open this up for you. And another insulated cooler right here. Last thing I want to show y'all is the windlass. So the windlass anchor makes anchoring super easy, and all you have to do is you press this down button and it drops the anchor down for you, and so you don't have to get out and actually anchor. And then same when you want to take the anchor out, you just press the up button and the anchor is back up here. Very much a breeze. Alright guys, this is again the 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. If you have any questions or want to know more things about this, because there's a lot to cover and I only have so much time, you can reach me at 985-951-0112. It's been Christopher. I appreciate your time.